In today's hyper-connected world, the digital attack surface is expanding exponentially. If you are still relying on the slow, manual processes of traditional vulnerability management in 2026, you are not just falling behind, you're operating with a critical blind spot. Those quarterly or even monthly scans? They create static snapshots in time. But your environment is dynamic. It never stops changing. New assets come online, configurations drift, and fresh vulnerabilities emerge daily, leaving dangerous gaps between each assessment. Meanwhile, attackers aren't waiting. They use sophisticated automation and AI to relentlessly probe your defenses, finding and exploiting weaknesses faster than any manual team ever could. To win this fight, you must evolve. Continuous Exposure Management, or CEM, shifts you from outdated, reactive checks to a state of constant, proactive defense. The data is clear. Gartner predicts organizations using a CEM program are 3 times less likely to suffer a breach. This is the future of security. It's comprehensive exposure management, not just vulnerability scanning. It means achieving real-time visibility, continuous validation, and decisive action across your entire attack surface. Welcome to SecureCyberMart, your guide in this new era. Hit subscribe now to stay ahead with the modern, career-proof cybersecurity tools and strategies you need to know. So, what exactly is continuous exposure management? In a world where digital environments change by the second, the old ways of securing our systems are no longer enough. We need a new paradigm. Think of it as a living, breathing security program that never sleeps. It's an intelligent, automated system that constantly monitors your organization's health, much like a 24/7 digital immune system. CEM is a strategic process and technology framework designed to continuously identify, prioritize, and validate potential exposures across your entire digital landscape. It's not a single tool, but a comprehensive strategy. Unlike traditional siloed approaches that might run a vulnerability scan once a quarter, CEM is holistic. It sees everything: cloud misconfigurations, overly permissive identities, exposed databases, and even forgotten legacy systems. Your complete and true attack surface. The key word here is continuous, an ongoing, cyclical process that detects new weaknesses, validates their real-world risk, and drives remediation the moment changes happen in your environment. This transforms SOC analysts from reactive alert chasers, drowning in a sea of low-context notifications, into proactive risk hunters. They can now focus their valuable time on validated, exploitable exposures that pose a genuine threat to the business. With escalating cyber threats and the sheer complexity of modern cloud environments, roles like SOC Analyst and Cybersecurity Engineer are in higher demand than ever. Mastering CEM principles and tools is what will set you apart in this competitive field. At the heart of the CEM strategy is CTEM, or Continuous Threat Exposure Management. This is the operational engine, a repeatable 5-step cycle that you will use daily to put the strategy into practice. These 5 fundamental steps are scoping, discovery, prioritization, validation, and mobilization. Let's break down each one. First, scoping. This step answers the question: what are we protecting? It defines the boundaries of your program, encompassing everything from on-prem servers and employee devices to your sprawling cloud infrastructure, third-party SaaS applications, and even operational technology like OT and IoT devices. You can't protect what you don't know you have. A critical part of scoping is to maintain an up-to-date, dynamic inventory and identify your crown jewels, those critical systems and sensitive data whose compromise would be most damaging to your organization's finances or reputation. This business context is absolutely essential for the steps that follow. Next is discovery. Once you know what to protect, you need to find the weaknesses. Discovery continuously pulls data from a wide array of sources: traditional vulnerability scanners, cloud security posture management tools, external attack surface mapping, and identity and access management telemetry. Because exposures can appear at any time, A developer accidentally making a storage bucket public, for instance, continuous discovery is vital. It catches risky changes within minutes, not weeks or months later during the next scheduled scan. Now for prioritization. This is where you separate the signal from the noise. Instead of a flat list of thousands of vulnerabilities, prioritization ranks exposures based on real, contextualized risk, their exploitability, the business impact of the asset they're on, and their position on a potential attack path. This means moving beyond relying on CVSS scores alone. A CVSS 9.8 on an isolated internal test server is far less urgent than a 7.5 on a public-facing server that holds customer data, especially if there's an active exploit for it in the wild. You must consider the full context, including proximity to sensitive data and potential blast radius. The fourth step is validation. This is the proof. Validation confirms whether a prioritized exposure is actually exploitable in your specific environment. It uses safe, automated testing to filter out false positives and theoretical findings that aren't a practical threat. When you can provide evidence-backed findings, complete with screenshots and steps to reproduce the exploit, you eliminate pushback from IT and development teams. This builds trust and dramatically accelerates the time it takes to get fixes deployed. Finally, we have mobilization. This is where action happens. Mobilization orchestrates the entire remediation process. It's about creating clear, actionable tickets in systems like Jira or ServiceNow, assigning them to accountable owners, setting realistic timelines, and providing recommended fixes. This step is also about governance. You must track key metrics like mean time to remediate, MTTR, and closure rates. This data helps you continuously improve your security outcomes and demonstrate the program's effectiveness to leadership. And crucially, after a fix is deployed, the process doesn't just stop. It loops right back to the discovery and validation phases to automatically verify that the remediation was successful and to catch any accidental regressions. This constant, self-reinforcing loop is the engine that drives real security improvement, systematically shrinking your attack surface over time. By connecting these dots, you start to see your organization through an attacker's eyes. You see how seemingly minor weak links, an unpatched external web server, a set of weak credentials, a misconfigured cloud role, can chain together into a devastating attack path to your crown jewels. CEM gives you this adversary-centric view, enabling proactive defenses. You can sever these attack paths long before real adversaries have a chance to discover and exploit them. Continuous means the system learns, heals, and strengthens itself, again and again, without waiting for the next calendar scan or a manual intervention. It adapts as your business adapts. As a security professional, this means you move from a state of constant alert fatigue to one of focused, impactful action on the exposures that truly matter to your organization's security posture. You become a true partner with IT and development teams, providing them with the clear, validated data they need to drive remediation efficiently and, most importantly, prove tangible risk reduction to the business. To recap, mastering the 5 CTEM steps, learning to think in terms of attack paths, and effectively communicating business risk are the core competencies that will accelerate your cybersecurity career. CEM isn't just a process, it's the anchor for a modern cybersecurity roadmap, one that is proactive, measurable, and resilient by design. Remember the cycle: scoping, know what you own and what matters most; discovery, continuously surface exposures across your entire attack surface; prioritization, filter out the noise and elevate the exploitable risks with real business impact; validation, prove what actually matters to earn trust and swift action; and mobilization, assign the fix, verify the result, and measure your improvement. This is security that moves at the speed of DevOps. As new code ships and cloud resources spin up, assessments trigger immediately, not on a fixed schedule. By unifying your scanner, cloud, and identity data into a single source of truth, you stop guessing and start making decisive, data-driven security decisions. You can finally measure and report on reduced risk and shrinking exposure windows. This is the hard evidence that proves your security program is working and delivering value. Up next, we'll explore exactly how this future-focused approach redefines the modern SOC analyst role, and how you can capitalize on this shift to build a successful career. Make no mistake, continuous exposure management isn't just another buzzword, it's the definitive future of the SOC analyst. This paradigm shift moves you from a reactive posture, constantly chasing alerts, to a strategic, proactive stance where you anticipate and neutralize threats before they can ever materialize. It's about getting ahead of the game. At its core, CTEM aligns your security efforts directly with tangible business risk. Instead of drowning in a sea of low-impact vulnerabilities, you'll focus on the critical few that truly matter. Validate that your fixes actually work, and mobilize remediation with speed and precision. Your role evolves from a reactive alert responder into a proactive risk hunter and a trusted business advisor. You become the expert who can translate complex technical findings into clear, actionable intelligence for leadership, guiding strategy, and protecting the organization's most critical assets. To get there, memorize the 5 stages of the CTEM cycle. Deeply study attack paths to think like an adversary. Practice validating exposures to confirm your defenses, and master the art of communicating risk in a language the business understands. As organizations inevitably mature into this proactive security model, it will be the CEM-ready analysts who lead the way, shaping the security programs of tomorrow. Subscribe to SecureCyberMart for more career-proofing tools, clear guides, and practical breakdowns you can use today. We're committed to helping you build the skills that matter. Keep learning, stay proactive, and secure your future as the threat landscape continues to evolve. Your expertise is more critical than ever. Thanks for watching SecureCyberMart, your edge in modern cybersecurity.